Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar, I currently have my Fibonacci retracement set up here because this move down possibly could just be a pullback to these last three waves up. So, we definitely do need to keep an eye on the 61 and the 78% just in case it does make an engulfing move to the upside. I definitely would take it as a long. Now, if we go all the way up to the weekly, we are definitely at the 61% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down. Could be a big area of resistance, could cause a big move down. Going down to the daily, we are also at a very clear resistance area, and we do have a little bit of a Fibonacci extension bounce, but we do not have engulfing down on the daily or the weekly, so the trend is definitely still up. I do agree that it possibly would make sense for a bigger pullback, but if this is like really a wave one, a wave two, and we're currently in a wave three, it may not make a bigger pullback. It may just keep on trending up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it would kind of make sense to see a much bigger pullback. It would kind of make sense for it to possibly go down and even take out some of these lows. But when the trend is up on every single higher time frame, we definitely need to assume that every move we see to the downside is nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So I definitely will continue to look for longs if the market gives me a chance. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And also take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.